So if you came on here this morning looking for more mortgage rate cuts, then you're in the right place. If you're a homeowner, first-time buyer, or even just mortgage curious, then this week's updates from the major lenders are going to give you a bit of Christmas cheer. So let's break down some of the changes and why this could save you a serious chunk of money. So first, let's start with Nationwide. Last thing yesterday, we got an email through from Nationwide confirming that they were cutting selected fixed rates by up to 0.21%. Now, this might sound like a really small and insignificant cut, but just remember that over a year, on a typical mortgage, 0.2% can be hundreds of pounds. And these reductions are coming across several product ranges. It's for both purchasers and remortgagers, and they include higher LTV brackets, which is great news if you've only got a small deposit. And I'm only going to cover a few changes in this video, but we also saw Coventry Building Society bringing in sweeping changes, with reductions on their fixed rate remortgages between 80 and 90% LTV, reductions on their 2 and 5 year purchase rates at 90 and 95% LTV, and reductions on their 3-year fixes as well. So if you're an existing Coventry Building Society customer or putting an application into them anytime soon, there's some genuine savings on the table there. And the next two were more big ones, NatWest and HSBC. NatWest have been increasing their new build loan to values and some really big improvements on some of their interest-only and part products. And HSBC are stepping up to help first-time buyers with increased cashbacks and reductions in a number of their residential and buy-to-let rates. And this just adds even more downward pressure to the rest of the market. So just looking across Nationwide, NatWest, Coventry and HSBC, we're seeing the same pattern everywhere. Rates are slowly coming down, criteria are improving, cashbacks are increasing, and accessibility is widening. So if your remortgage is due in the next 6 months, or you're a first-time buyer looking to get on the market, or even if you're looking to move home in the next year, now's a great time to be talking to a broker and finding out what you can do. The difference between waiting and acting can sometimes be thousands of pounds. I'm Patrick Wakeman, your local East Midlands mortgage and protection advisor. If you want personal advice and to check out what the market really means to you, then my links are in the bio. Feel free to get in touch. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.